3. Skinner's operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is a term that was coined by P. F. Skinner in 1937. P. F. Skinner believes that no stimulus is capable of unique response from an organism. Organism emits a desired responses. Thus, reinforcement of desired response is the essence of operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is called type or conditioning. Look at this P. F. Skinner. The reward or price the organism has to operate or to deal with the environment in a particular way. So this type of learning is termed as operant conditioning. It is also known as instrumental conditioning. Skinner's experiment. Skinner's box is a cage in which weight hungry rat is placed. Liver was chosen, a unit of desired behavior. The behavior of rat electrically recorded. Look at this Skinner's box. Loudspeaker, light, response lever, food dispenser, electrified grid. This is other type of Skinner's box. Speaker, signal light, lever, pellet, dispenser, dispenser tube, food cup, electrical grid, to shock generator. Pigeon experiment. Another experiment on pigeon. The pigeon moved about cage. It was trained to pick a disc. Every time pick, food was supplied. Thus, food reinforced the behavior of picking the disc called an operant. Though both rewards and feedback serve as means of reinforcement. Look at this Skinner's box, pigeon used for experiment, food dispenser, touch screen, computerized monitoring. So this is a real Skinner's box for this experiment. B.F. Skinner doing experiment. Pigeon display different behaviors. B.F. Skinner doing experiment. Look at this. Operant conditioning chamber, cumulative recorder. So this is a recorder. This is a Skinner's box. Operant conditioning. Operant conditioning classified into reinforcement, increase behavior, punishment, decrease behavior. Reinforcement further divided into positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement. Negative reinforcement divided into escape and active avoidance. Punishment divided into positive punishment and negative punishment. Positive presence of a stimulus, negative absence of a stimulus. Reinforcement increases behavior, punishment decreases behavior, escape removes a stimulus, avoidance prevents a stimulus. Reinforcement is a consequence that causes a behavior to occur with greater frequency. Punishment is a consequence that causes a behavior to occur with less frequency. Extinction is caused by the lack of any consequence following a behavior. Schedules of reinforcement. In operant conditioning, schedules of reinforcement are an important component of the learning process. There are 4 schedules of reinforcement. First, fixed ratio schedules, where a response is reinforced only after a specified number of responses. This schedule produces a high steady rate of responding with only a brief pause after the delivery of the reinforcer. Second, variable ratio schedules occur when a response is reinforced after an unpredictable number of responses. This schedule creates a high steady rate of responding. 3. Fixed interval schedules, where the first response is rewarded only after a specified amount of time has elapsed. This schedule causes high amounts of responding near the end of the interval, but much slower responding immediately after the delivery of the reinforcer. 4. Variable interval schedules occur when a response is rewarded after an unpredictable amount of time has passed. This schedule produces a slow and steady Skinner's contribution to education. First, individualization of instruction. Second, behavior modification technique. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.